Hello guys, welcome to the day 3 in the Flutter session for 7 days, which is free. So yeah, we are done with the day 1 and the day 2, which were really awesome. We have just learned the Dart language, and now we are in the installation way of Flutter SDK. So yeah, before installing Flutter, make sure you got Java and Android Studio installed if you are working if you build applications on Android, and if you want to build apps for iOS, make sure you got Xcode, Android Studio and Java too. So yeah, once you are done with all of this stuff, make sure you got an Android SDK level 28 or 29 something, and yeah, that would be great and that would be fine. Yeah, pre-requirements. Before working on the before installing or going to run Flutter applications, make sure you got these minimum parameters or requirements. It is recommended to use Windows 7 64-bit and Windows 10 doesn't go beyond Windows 7, and you need to have a minimum RAM of 4 GB. I recommend. Less than that, your system is going to hang whenever you're going to debug the applications, and you need to minimum have a disk space of 400 megabits. And after that, these are optional tools, you can have or not. And yeah, that's what you just need to have a minimum of 4 GB of RAM and Windows 7 or some other greater than Windows 7. And after that, download the SDK from here. Once you click over here, you will download a zip file. You just need to extract it, and you just need to paste it over C/Flutter, so that or create a C source folder, and then paste the Flutter unzipped file or unzipped folder over that path. And after that, you actually need to give the Flutter path or the binary of the Flutter path to the environment variables. Make sure you do that, and once you are done, you can execute. You can go to the terminal, you can click on Windows symbol, hit out the CMD, and you can execute Flutter Doctor. After that, it would actually take a bit of time. If you're running it for the very first time, it will verify for the versions. As I have previously installed, there is a new version available for me, and it would actually execute some stuff. So what Flutter Doctor actually is? Flutter Doctor is actually a guard kind of stuff. It would actually checks, verifies all the pre-requirements required in order to build applications with Flutter. There are actually 5 to 6 parameters, I hope. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, 6 parameters. You need to verify that Flutter is installed or not, and after that Android is installed or not, and it will actually verify the license acceptance. And if it doesn't, then it will be showing you a bit of command over here. Just execute that or copy paste that on the terminal, and you need to accept. Click on SS, and you are done, you are good. And after that, it will verify Android Studio is installed or not, VS Code installed or not, and it is optional to use VS Code because it would actually just improve the it is edited choice of the developer. So after that, proxy, this is not involved actually. So connected devices, so debugging devices, any debugging device which you want to build the application for. Yeah, once you got all this stuff, you are good to go. You are good to build applications. So yeah, in order to build applications, your first application we are gonna build, which you are gonna build now. So I'm gonna go to the desktop, and I'm gonna head over to Flutter Masterclass for 7 days master. There we go. Now I'm in that repository. Clear screen. Okay. Yeah. So now if I see what over there, so you can see there are day 1, day 2, day 3. I would like to put the source code of the today in the day 3 folder. So I just went into the day 3 folder, and I would like to create a new project. So in order to create your first project, you need to execute Flutter create, and the project name whichever you would like to give. I would like to provide first application, first app, that's it, and hit enter. Okay, I'm really sorry, you need to have some pre-requirements that to actually use the app names. You shouldn't be use the camel case kind of structure, so you need to use underscore maybe, and it would build the application for you. So just wait for a couple of seconds. It would actually create all the necessary files in the project, and you can actually open that project in your favorite editor of your choice. You can open in VS Code, you can use Android Studio, and you can build the application by connecting your hardware device or an emulator. While it is taking a bit time, you could actually go to the project folder, which is actually over here. You can see I have just kept the created the application in the day 3 of our sessions. So you can just go to the GitHub link provided in the description, and you can just go through the code. So here is actually the first piece of code. Don't get afraid of this. I'm gonna explain you pretty much everything in the upcoming sessions. So let's wait until the actually entire packages are getting, so that once it actually got all the packages, you can see all these underlined part which are showing the undefined widget and the undefined build. These will be resolved and the application will be executed on a device, on an emulator. So meanwhile, I would like to start my emulator. So I would like to use my emulator, so it would again take a bit time to actually boot up. So now you can see just the application was just built, and we can see a preview of the code or whatever it is on the left hand side, you can see on the right hand side. So yeah, this is actually a simple counter application, so that whenever you keep on pressing on this action plus button, it would actually increment the value over there, which is in the center. So yeah, pretty cool, right? So we're gonna talk about much detail about this code which over here in the upcoming tutorials, but for now, that's it for now, guys. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Peace.